Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my studio. Ronia here. In today's video, we are going to paint cheerful and loose florals using only one brush. So to start, I'm gonna show you which paper we're gonna use today. This is a Canson watercolor paper, cold press. Okay, doesn't matter which size you are going to paint to. Okay, here are all my colors. They are all pre-wet. I don't know which color I'm gonna use today yet, but I left everything here ready. Water, my favorite combination of sap and deep green for leaves and stem. So here is a very inexpensive oval brush, 3¼ inches, 1.9 centimeter, is from Royal and Langnickel. Okay. And the Editel brush, size 0. So let's start. That's why you are here. Oops. So here are the florals, simple brush strokes to shape them. Use only one brush. I decided to use the oval brush. It's just a little exercise for today's video. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, please comment, subscribe, and like. And thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.